Hi, in this video, we will compare Klaviyo and Constant Contact. Klaviyo is an email marketing platform that helps businesses grow by enabling them to engage with their customers through personalized email campaigns. It offers many features designed to enhance customer communication and drive sales. Klaviyo allows you to create and send targeted email campaigns based on customer behavior, preferences, and demographics. You can customize emails with dynamic content, A/B test variations, and automate the sending process. You can segment your audience based on various criteria, such as purchase history, browsing behavior, location, and more. This enables you to deliver highly targeted messages to specific customer segments. Klaviyo provides detailed analytics and reporting features to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can monitor metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, revenue generated, and more. Klaviyo offers powerful automation capabilities that allow you to set up triggered emails based on specific events or actions taken by your customers. Klaviyo integrates with various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and other marketing tools, allowing you to sync customer data seamlessly and create a unified view of your customers across different channels. Klaviyo also provides a free plan. Klaviyo pricing plan is based on how many contacts you have and starts at $35 per month. On the other hand, Constant Contact is a cloud-based email marketing and digital marketing platform designed to help businesses, especially small businesses, build successful online marketing strategies. You can create professional-looking emails with the drag-and-drop feature, even without design experience. Choose from a library of pre-designed templates to jumpstart your email creation process. Grow your email list through sign-up forms, social media ads, and other methods. Constant Contact integrates directly with several popular tools, allowing you to connect your accounts and streamline your workflow. Constant Contact provides a 14-day free trial, and paid plans start at $12 per month. If you want to use both Klaviyo and Constant Contact for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.